Hello, art friends. Get those pencils ready. We're going to be drawing Wile E Coyote. All right, so I'm going to loosely decide where stuff is going. Make sure I have enough room for his wily ears. Okay, I got it. All right, so with your pencil, follow along. Okay, so first what we're gonna do is out here, we're gonna make a curvy line that comes back around up like so. Then we're gonna put a little shine on that, and that is his coyote nose. Then we're gonna come around and back up. And then we're gonna come back and up. And I kind of made it wiggly, not super straight. Then right here, we're gonna come around, and then we're gonna zigzag our way over. Zigzag, zigzag, just like so. Okay, then on this line right here, we're gonna make a little smiley face because he's got some plan going on. Then, about right here, we're gonna come around, zigzag, zigzag, like that. And then over here, we're gonna take this line here and we're gonna bring it up, zigzag, zigzag, it around, and then back down and up like that. And then his mouth is there. Okay. Now we're gonna make his little coyote eyes. So about right here, we're gonna make a line coming up, down, then we're gonna put a little eyeball here. Then we're gonna put another line coming up with a little zigzag, zigzag, because he's a hairy little coyote, and coming down. And then we're gonna have another line coming up, and this one's gonna come up higher. And then it's gonna come down, a little black here, leaving a little light. And then this one's gonna come up, zigzag, zigzag, a little bit bigger, and back down. And right here, I'm gonna draw a line coming down like that. And then I'm gonna go on the other side of his eyebrow, come up, zigzag, zigzag. And then we're gonna put his ear here. So it's gonna go straight out, come back zigzagging, and meet up in there. And then I'm gonna put another line coming right up here, zigzag, and then it's gonna come back down like that. Then I'm gonna put another line coming beside it, and it's just gonna meet up with that. And now I'm gonna come back over here and draw a line coming back down like that. Okay, then we're gonna do his chest. So his chest is gonna come out here. It's gonna come around, down, little zigging, back up, and there's his big old chesty. It's gonna come back up like that. And then he's got a little bit of a shoulder right here. And then he's got a little bit of an elbow right here with some zigzags. And then his little paw comes up, back around, and down. I think he has his hands on his hips. All right, then we've got more back here. So about right here, I'm just gonna draw a little bit coming down. And then we've got his other shoulder coming out here. So it's gonna come around, do a little texture. Back around like that. And then we've got his little coyote hand that comes down and around. And we've got another finger, and then the palm. And then we're gonna extend this down to where that is. And then under that, we have a little coyote tail, some little zigzags coming back up, coyote butt, knee, and then here's the foot. This little sharp coyote little paws. And it's gonna come back up like that. And then this side's gonna come down, come out. There we go. And then here's his knee again, coming up like so. Yep, there he is. Put a little more fluffier where his pecs are. Okay, put this on the ground, and there you have it. Wile E Coyote. Super funny. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.